Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson Seven Sisters. Through the previous video, I explained information about Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Through this video, we will see the next state, that is Meghalaya. So without wasting much of time, here we begin with the information of Meghalaya. At first, its capital, that is Shillong. Remember, the capital city of Meghalaya is Shillong. Hello friends, I am the abode of clouds. Abode means living place. So simply, it is the living place of clouds, that is Meghalaya. Means we will simply say that many of the clouds are very closely seen in Meghalaya, and that is what the name given Meghalaya. Meg means simply cloud. Alaya, it is telling that very closer, came closer. Its capital is Shillong. Further, my capital city Shillong is called Scotland of the East. So simply remember Shillong, which is the capital city. It has another name, that is Scotland of the East, because of its highlands. And what is the reason behind it? That is highlands, fog and scenery. These are the things commonly seen in Scotland and same as seen in Shillong. So Shillong is considered as or called as Scotland of the East. My people speak English. So what language is used in Meghalaya? So English is given the first preference, then latter here are three: Khasi, Panar and Garo. So there are four, that is English, then Khasi, Panar and Garo. These are the four languages spoken in Meghalaya. Further, I am overwhelmingly beautiful. Overwhelmingly, simply it is very extremely beautiful, and everything here is impossibly green and alive. So it is the peak, or it is the highness of greenery and livelihood in Meghalaya. The rolling mist in the valleys, the undulating hills. Here undulating means curving hills, which are simply with heights and simply rise and falls. There are numerous lakes, waterfalls, caves, sacred forest and exotic flora and fauna are fascinating. So these are the simply speciality of Meghalaya. Here exotic means unusual. What is further? Here jhum or shifting cultivation. Jhum or shifting cultivation is practiced even today. I have lovely mountains. This is about landforms. Mountains with stretches of valley and highland plateaus. So plain land at the height, at the hills, that is called as plateaus. Further, the rock formation here contain rich deposits of valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium and sillimanite. So these are the minerals found in Meghalaya. Further, I have many rivers. Further, please come to see Cherrapunji or Mawsynram. What is it? The wettest places on earth. It is what in India, Cherrapunji or Mawsynram is the place where every year the highest rainfall is experienced. You can enjoy the forest and sacred groves here. Groves means wood or group of trees. Sacred, it is simply religious, just like we know that banyan tree is considered as one of the sacred tree. People tree is considered as one of the sacred tree, that is holy or religious. Such a group of such a plants is found in Meghalaya. Further, I boast of several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Friends, you would be amazed to see the Kremleatra, which is the longest cave, and Sinrang Pamyang is the deepest cave. So, longest and deepest caves, their names are Kremleatra and Sinrang Pamyang, respectively. You can enjoy the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. Do come to this pine fresh mountain state during the Wangala festival in autumn. Wangala, the most important festival from Meghalaya simply. And here autumn, it is one of the seasons which falls between summer and winter. And what is the word panoramic means? Panoramic means it is simply full and wide. You might have seen the word panoramic in cameras, mobile phone cameras. So this is all about the state Meghalaya. I hope you got it. Here we begin with the next state, that is Manipur. At first, its capital, it is Imphal. Capital city of Manipur, it is Imphal. Now let's learn about it. Hey, I am the fourth sister Manipur, the jeweled land. Manipur is called as jeweled land. Why it is so? I am proud to be the jewel of my mother India. The state of Manipur is considered as jewel of Mother India. I am also known by my nicknames. What nicknames? That is Kanglipak and Sanlibak. These are the nicknames of Manipur. My capital is Imphal, where you can see the cyclist velodrome. Here, velodrome means simply a track with many of the curves which is used for the cycle races. Many of my people belong to Meitei ethnic group. Meitei ethnic group is what? It is a dominant population or people from Manipur. Further, there is information about the language spoken in Manipur, which is Meitei or Manipuri language. I have the credit of introducing polo to the Europeans. You know about the game polo. Further, my people's staple diet meant or major part of diet consists of rice, fish, large variety of leafy vegetables, that is both aquatic and terrestrial. You know, aquatic means growing in water, and that is terrestrial, growing on land. But our cuisine is so different from the rest of India due to the use of various aromatic herbs and roots that are peculiar to my state. Aromatic, it is scented, and peculiar means simply unusual or uncommon. Blessed with an amazing variety of flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means plants and animals. So the state of Manipur is blessed with a variety of plants and animals. I am home to a host of rare endemic plant and animal life here. Here endemic means simply all types of plants and animals in that particular area. A treat for the eyes is Cable Limjao National Park. Cable Limjao National Park. An abode, that is a living place of the rare and endangered species of brow-antlered deer. It is the project for protection of that brow-antlered deer. What is its name, or what is the name of that park? It is Cable Limjao National Park. This ecosystem contains 17 rare species of mammals. Ecosystem means simply sorry, I just would like to remind the meaning of endemic. By mistake I told something different. Here endemic means simply growing in a particular area, and ecosystem means all the plants and animals in that particular area. So quite related to each other. This ecosystem contains 17 rare species of mammals. Mammals, just like you know, uh, uh, what do we say, crocodile. Such animals are there in mammals. It is the only floating national park of the world. You should come to see Loktak Lake and floating islands. Just imagine how it could be. Further, last paragraph about Manipur. Our Manipuri dance is one of the most acclaimed classical dances of India. The folk dances of tribal people attract or charm the beholders. Beholders, the person who sees, or simply we will say viewers, audience, with their exotic costumes, unusual costumes, and simple but graceful rhythm. You should not fail to witness the Manipuri martial arts. There are two. First is Thang Ta and second Sarit Sarak. These are the two martial arts forms from Manipur. So this is all about the state Manipur. So through this video we came to know about Meghalaya and Manipur. Through the upcoming video we will come to know about Mizoram and Nagaland. Till now I hope you got the given explanation.